Okay. Today we are going to study if he become a resident, then he will have the two chances. One दिन resident after satisfying the basic condition he will become the resident. Correct? Then he can become ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. ಏನೇನಾಗ್ಬೋದವ ಆರ್ಡಿನರ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್? How can we check the residential further residential status after getting the residential status of the individual? Okay, then how to calculate the who will be the ordinary resident, who will be the not ordinary resident? For that we are having the additional conditions. Yav conditions ante ನಾವು additional conditions, ಎರಡು additional conditions ನಾವು 1 and 2. ಇದರ ನಡುವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತದ, that is and. And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? You have to satisfy first as well as 2. Basic condition ದ ಹಂಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. Basic condition ದ ಹಂಗಿತ್ತು 1 or 2 ಇತ್ತು. ಒಂದರೆ satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೇದರೆ satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ? in the case of basic condition to check the residential status. Are you getting my point? When it comes to residential status, further next resident ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ whether he is the ordinary resident or not ordinary resident calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should apply the both the conditions. ಎರಡೂ condition apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡೂ condition satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, person should satisfy both the conditions. ಎರಡೂ conditions satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then he is going to become ordinary resident. If he satisfied both the conditions, ಎರಡೂ conditions satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ, then he will become the ordinary resident. If he failed to satisfy the both the condition or any one of the condition, ಇವ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗ್ದ ಹೋತು. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗ್ದ ಹೋತು. ಅಂದ್ರ any one of the basic condition, any one of the additional condition, if he failed to satisfy any one of the additional condition, then he will become the non-ordinary resident. Deepaka, understood? In madak first ige what we have to do first to check the full residential status? First we should apply the basic condition. The person should satisfy one of the basic condition of 2. ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದೊಳಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ 182, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ 60 and 365 in 4 preceding previous year. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ he will become the resident. Any confusion? No confusion. Then after becoming the resident we should check whether he is the ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. Correct active kore, whether he is the ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. To check the ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident, if he satisfied both the additional conditions, if he satisfied both the additional condition, he will become ordinarily resident. Eradu condition satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then only he will become ordinarily resident. If he failed to satisfy any one of the conditions, ಒಂದೇ satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ, ಎರಡನೇ satisfy ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, then he will be not ordinary resident. ಒಂದೇ satisfy ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗ್ದ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಎರಡನೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎರಡನೇ satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನವ? he will be called as not ordinarily. Any confusion? Understood? Raise your hand if you understood this. Teeth was to you? Okay. Then fast ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Okay. Okay. Is it audible? The document is audible? ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ. Okay, just send the message in the chat that it is audible. If it is audible and visible ada screen share ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು visible ಅದಲ್ಲ. Okay, then just take down that residential status. Yes, fast take down that. ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Residential status and check madokar first again madboku, we have to check the whether he is a resident or non-resident, correct? Then if he become a resident, how he can become the resident? If he satisfied any one of the basic condition, he will become the resident. If he failed to satisfied both the basic condition, then he will become the non-resident. If he become a resident, we should check his residential status furtherly. Yaudu whether he is ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Whether he is the ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? Okay, then ಎರಡು additional conditions ಅದಾವು, ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ತಳಗದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, you are having the two additional conditions. See here, ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. He is resident in India for at least 2 years. He is resident in India for at least 2 years out of 10 years preceding to previous year. Out of 10 years preceding through previous years. Preceding to previous year. Second additional condition ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Second additional condition. Take down the second additional condition. What is the second conditional condition we are having? He is in India for period of 730 days. He is in India for a period of 730 days or more during 7 years preceding to previous year. During the 7 years or more during 7 years preceding to previous year. ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ. Okay, done. If it is done, raise your hand fast. If it is done, raise your hand. Okay, thank you. Shall I stop the sharing? Okay. Okay, now what they are telling, what are the base additional conditions? Additional condition first ನೇದೇನು? He should be Audible? Okay. He should be resident for at least 2 years in 10 preceding previous years. What is the condition we are having here? ಏನು condition ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ condition first additional condition he should be resident. This is very important. He should be resident for at least 2 years. For at least 2 years in 10 preceding previous year. 10 preceding previous year. Then how can you check the resident? By applying two basic conditions. Are you getting my point? ತಿಳಿಲಿಗೆತ್ತದ? Okay. Then ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಹಳ ಈಜಿ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What is the assessment year? Present assessment year 2020 and 21 is the assessment year. Yes or no? Okay. Next, what is the previous year? What is the previous year? 2019 and 20 is the previous year. Yes or no? 2019 and 20 is the previous year. Any confusion? There should not be any confusion. Then what is the first preceding previous year? 2018 and 19. Second preceding previous year 2017 and 18. 2016 and 17. 2015 and 16, 2014 and 15, 2013 and 14, 2012 and 13, 2011 and 12, 2010 and 11. Third previous year 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2009 and 10. Is it visible to all of you? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಪಕ್ಕಾ okay. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the 10 preceding previous years. ಇವೇನದಲ್ಲ ಇವಕ್ಕ what we can call it as 10 preceding previous years. Yes or no? Yes or no? Raise your hand fast if it is yes. Okay. Then what we have to do? He should be resident. He should be resident for at least 2 years in then 10 preceding previous years. Heng calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. He should be resident. If ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ resident ಅದಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? Again we should apply the basic conditions. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? What we have to do? We have to apply basic conditions. ಎರಡು basic conditions ಯಾವ್ದರ ಒಂದು ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು basic condition satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ then he will be resident for 2018 and 19. He will be resident for 2018 and 19. ತಿಳಿತು? Next 2017 and 18 ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, assume that he failed to satisfy the both the basic condition. Okay, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು conditions ಎರಡು conditions satisfy ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ then he will be called as non-resident. Correct? Then you applied to the 2016 and 17. ಈ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು preceding previous years ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ previous years ಅಂತ assumption ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Are you getting my point? You have to take the assumption that this is the previous year, these are the preceding previous year. If the 2016 and 17 is the previous year, then these are the 4 preceding previous years. Are you getting my point? Understood? Any confusion? I hope there should not be any confusion. Okay. Next, if the 2016 and 17 those our conditions satisfy madida, basic conditions won't satisfy madida, then he will become the resident. Then hangandre ಏನದು 10 ವರ್ಷದಾಗ ಇವ 2 ವರ್ಷ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ then he satisfied first additional condition. then he satisfied first additional condition. Any confusion? Raise your hand if it is understood. ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದರ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, thank you. Then what is the second one? Second additional condition ಏನೈತಿ? What exactly the second additional condition? ಇಲ್ಲ, second additional condition ಏನೈತವ? He should be in India for at least 730 days in 7 preceding previous year. Okay, 7 ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ಈ 7 preceding previous year ದೊಳಗೆ he should be in India for 730 days. Then we can say that he satisfied the second condition, additional condition. Okay, ತಿಳಿತು ಪಕ್ಕ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಇದನ್ನು satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ satisfy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? He should satisfy the first condition as well as the second condition, then only he will become ordinarily resident. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನವ? Ordinarily resident ಆಗ್ತಾನ. If he satisfied the first condition but failed to satisfy the second condition, he will be called as non-ordinarily resident. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅವಂಗ? Not ordinarily resident. If he satisfied both the condition, he will be called as ordinary resident. If he failed to satisfy both the conditions, then he will be called as not ordinarily resident. Titu, understood? Raise your hand if it is understood. Okay. Then finally, what we can say about the conclusions? Conclusion ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What we can get the conclusion? This is the conclusion. This will be the conclusion. What will be the conclusion? This. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕವ? ಎರಡು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು, ಕಾಣಾದತೆ, ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅದ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ನಾ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, then ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ satisfy ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, then only he will become the resident. And ಇವ್ರ ಜೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್? ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದ್ರೆ he will become the not ordinarily resident. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನವ? He will become the ordinarily resident. If he failed to satisfy the basic condition, then he will become the not ordinarily resident. Sorry, non-resident ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. then no need to check the additional conditions. ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ additional condition ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. then if he satisfied one of the basic condition, ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು or ಅಂತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we used or here. or says that idare ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು. okay, and both the additional conditions. okay, ಒಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಎರಡು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, then he will become the ordinarily resident. Any confusion? I hope there should not be any confusion relating to this. Titu? Okay, then now I will give you the simple question. Okay, on that you should solve that and you should send it to me the answer. ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Already you have taken down those things. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಇವು ಮೂರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೂರದ್ರೊಳಗ what we have done in these three questions, we calculated only whether the person is resident or not resident. Whether the person is resident or not resident. What we have to do now, we have to calculate whether the person is ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. Whether the person is ordinarily resident or not ordinarily resident. Try it in your home. Okay, maniyolaga try madri. Aito, are you getting my point? Try it in your home. Okay, if it is difficult, I will tell you one thing. One thing everything. One net calculate maduno. Yes or no? Okay. Now, Mr. Narayan is a citizen. Mr. Narayan is a citizen of India. He has been serving the India for at least 16 years. On 15th 4/2019. Then how many days he was in India? How many days he was in India? Only 15 days? Yes or no? Only 15 days is no. How the hero? He was in India for only 15 days. Then he will previous year though only he was in a 15 days. He is a non-resident. No need to check the additional conditions. Additional conditions and check mado avashyakate illa. When we should check the additional condition? If he becomes the resident. If he becomes the resident only, we should check the we should check the additional condition. If he becomes the non-resident, there is no option to check the additional conditions. Additional conditions, no necessary to check the additional condition. Additional condition check mado avashyakate illa. Yadaka we used to apply those additional conditions after he becomes a resident. Resident ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು applicable ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Okay, in the next ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇದ್ದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ. He was in India 288 days. Second question, yes or no? Yes or no? Chat box do hakri. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ how many days he was in India for the 2019 20 288 days. Good. Then he becomes 288 days in the ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದೊಳಗ. Then he becomes the resident now. Resident ಆದ್ನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ resident ಆದ? He satisfied one of the basic condition, that is 182 days he was in India. Confusion? No confusion. Then ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We should apply him the first additional condition and second additional condition. First additional condition, he should be resident for 2 years in 10 preceding previous year. Ivala 10 preceding previous years andra. These are the 10 preceding previous year. Yes or no? Okay. He lived in India for 16 days or 16 years and something like that. Then he lived in India for 16 years andra, definitely he will be in India for 365 days, 365 days, 365 days and 365 days. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಷನೂ 365 days ಅದ. ನಾವು 365 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ 182 days ದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 182 days ದು, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ. yes or no? Are you getting my point? ತಿಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ then he become the resident. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. yes or no? He become a resident in 2 years of 10 preceding previous year. Any confusion? Inner confusion aitana? No. Then second condition is second additional condition, he should be in India for 730 days in 7 preceding previous year. Definitely he is in India for the 10 years, more than the 10 years, he will be in India for 730 days. Ille 3 ವರ್ಷದಾಗ 730 days ಆಯ್ತು. Then he satisfied both the condition. He can called as ordinarily resident. ಅವನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು? Ordinarily resident. Why ordinarily resident? He satisfied basic condition and additional conditions 1 and 2. ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ, then he will be called as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Ordinarily resident. Any confusion? ಏನಾರ confusion ಐತೇನೆ? Raise your hand if it is understood.